GenixFlow AI is the latest AI software making waves. And in this review, I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been hearing about this tool and want to understand whether it's right for you, stay tuned. This review is packed with details to help you make an informed decision. First things first, GenixFlow AI is designed to streamline digital marketing processes with its advanced automation features. Unlike many AI tools on the market, it offers a user-friendly interface and is highly customizable, which makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned marketers. If you're tired of switching between multiple platforms, this software integrates various marketing tasks into one cohesive system, saving you time and effort. One standout feature is its ability to generate highly optimized marketing campaigns using data-driven insights. Whether you're focused on email marketing, social media campaigns, or paid ads, GenixFlow AI automates these tasks with a level of precision that ensures you get the best ROI possible. The tool doesn't just follow basic algorithms, it learns from your campaigns and adjusts strategies in real time to improve performance. Another key feature is its AI-powered analytics. It doesn't just provide data, it interprets it for you. You can quickly see which of your strategies are working and which aren't. GenixFlow's ability to predict trends based on your audience's behavior is one of the things that sets it apart from other AI tools. This means your campaigns are not only more efficient, they're smarter. The third crucial thing you need to know about GenixFlow AI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, this tool adapts to your needs. As your business grows, GenixFlow grows with it, adding more features and capabilities without overwhelming you. Plus, it's designed to integrate with most of your existing systems, so you won't have to worry about starting from scratch. But here's something I really appreciate about GenixFlow. Its automation capabilities go beyond just marketing. It automates follow-up emails, customer messaging, and even manages missed calls, allowing you to provide a seamless customer experience. This makes it an excellent tool not only for marketing, but also for customer relationship management. One thing that makes GenixFlow AI unique is its powerful learning capabilities. Most AI tools give you a set template, but GenixFlow adapts to your needs. It learns from your past campaigns, customer interactions, and even website behavior to constantly improve its recommendations. This is perfect for anyone looking to scale their marketing efforts without sacrificing quality. Next up, let's talk about pricing. GenixFlow AI is extremely affordable for the value it provides. They offer a free trial so you can test everything out before committing. And when you're ready to subscribe, you'll find that the pricing structure is tiered to suit businesses of all sizes, making it accessible to both startups and established enterprises. Now, for those wondering if GenixFlow is for you, here's a simple tip. If you're someone who wants an all-in-one AI marketing tool that doesn't just automate tasks, but also learns and improves with you, then GenixFlow AI could be the software you've been looking for. Remember, you can try GenixFlow AI for completely free using the first link below. I personally tested thousands of AI tools, and this one stood out in terms of functionality and ease of use. If you're serious about boosting your digital marketing efforts, it's definitely worth checking out. At the end of the day, GenixFlow AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer for digital marketers looking for automation and intelligent insights. I've also listed some of my other recommended AI software in the description below that you can try for free after testing thousands of these tools. So if you're ready to dive into smarter marketing, hit that link, try out GenixFlow AI and see how it can work for you. Trust me, you won't regret it.